Chalo folks, hope you are all doing good. So it's November right now and I hope your preparation for the NIMCET is going well. November में हमें क्या करना चाहिए, थोड़ा सा उस बारे में अपडेट करना चाह रहा था कि now it's already November and अप्रैल मई जून से it will be like कि आपके सारे एग्जाम्स स्टार्ट हो जाएंगे. तो in November you should start with reasoning, English and कंप्यूटर्स के 10 क्वेश्चन ही आते हैं, गेस बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं आते हैं. तो आई वुड से कि अब दिस इज़ द टाइम व्हेन यू शुड स्टार्ट रीजनिंग. अगर आपने रीजनिंग का स्टार्ट नहीं किया है तो एंड इट्स टाइम टू गिव अ बिट लिटिल ब्रेक टू द मैथ्स. आई होप यू हैव गिवन दोस टाइम्स इन द पास्ट मंथ्स फॉर द मैथ्स. तो अभी इज़ द टाइम टू मोस्टली इन्वेस्ट योर टाइम on doing the mock test paper, looking into the previous year papers and start with the reasoning. Pick up a topic, learn about the concept and then start solving the questions. You can solve questions from the previous year paper as well. It will give you a bit idea about what type of questions are asked in the reasoning, right? And after that you can prepare through the Arihant, or there are some books that I have given in the description for preparing for those topics, and I think those books are enough to prepare for the reasoning. For maths, as I always said, like firstly you have to prepare through the 11th 12th NCERT, which I am hoping that you have already looked into that. And after that the previous year paper, the mock test papers, and sit in a room, sit for 2 hours and take the mock test papers as if you are actually sitting for taking the NIMCET exam. That will help you to actually know how much pressure you will feel in that exam, so it will help you to balance that pressure during that actual exam. And one more thing, like if you have not prepared the notes for maths or reasoning, this is the time, start doing it right now. And how you are going to make notes is like when you are preparing to the mock test paper or you are preparing to the previous year questions, the questions you are able to easily solve, it's okay, you have to do nothing for that. But those questions which you are not able to solve easily, you have to make a notebook and write those questions which you are feeling complex, or you feel that this is the difficult question, this was the question that I was not able to solve. Make notes of those questions, and when you go for the actual exam, just look into that questions, because those are the questions that are challenging for you. Those are the questions that you are not able to solve, and that might demotivate you, and that are the things that you don't know. Basically that would tell that these are the questions that you are not prepared for, and it will help you to prepare for those questions which might get asked in the NIMCET. So this is how you make notes. And there are some colleges and universities for which the forms will be out from December and January. So keep track of those as well while preparing for this. Also keep filling the forms, keep filling the application forms for those exams, because you have to go for the MCA the next year, right? And for someone who is in the third year or who are actually going to colleges as well, I'm not sure like about is it your time to exams or not, but if your exams are going or need to be started, you can divide your time, the time you are having in a day, maybe 60%, 40%, 70%, 30%, or 50% that you are giving 50% to the NIMCET preparation, 50% to the college exams. And this is how you can actually manage. Like it totally depends on you. If you have already prepared the college exams, or you think that it's easy, I'll prepare in a 1 or 2 month, give 60-40, like 60% to NIMCET, 40% to college exams, or 40% to NIMCET, 60% to the college exam. But that will help you to manage your time and prepare for both the exams, because having 60% or 6.5 CGPA, 7.5 CGPA is the eligibility criteria for the NIMCET. So you can't totally ignore your college exams as well. So keep the track of both the things. Now it is time that you have to work strategically with a planned manner. And I hope this video help you to get some insight about what should you do in November and December. Let me in the comments if you have any questions or any doubts. I'll try to answer it. So तब तक के लिए bye bye, take care, keep smiling.